CS5 installation reference video. Sun visor, block the reflection of the sun. This is CS5 main unit. The body is very textured with good cable material. Frosted texture, high-class feeling all at once. Power cable, connected to motorcycle battery use. Front and rear cameras. Wired controller, used for host operation. GPS module. Front and rear tire pressure sensors. USB test cable, please use it to test the recorder's function properly before installing to motorcycle. Host bracket accessories. Camera bracket accessories. Visor accessories. Cable ties for fixing cables. Host bracket options I. Attach the L bracket to the back of the main unit. Then just mount it in the spot near the handlebar mirror. Install the memory card of host. Unscrew the TF card slot of the base with a screwdriver. Insert the storage card into the card slot. Please pay attention to the direction of the card slot to prevent incorrect installation. Put the lid back on. Then tighten the screws on both sides of the card slot. Before installing the host bracket, please wipe the back of the host first. Align the host bracket with the bracket hole. Find the screw, place the metal gasket into the screw. The same operation is also performed on the other screw. Use a wrench to put the screw into the bracket hole to fix. Then select the appropriate gasket to match on the bracket. Find the long screw. Install the gasket. The other screw also put the gasket. Put the bracket on the pole to test for match. Please make sure the bottom slot is facing downwards before installation. After determining the installation location, start fixing the host. Get some help to hold the host. Put in the screw, hold the nut, then tighten will be faster. Tighten the screw the same way on the other side. After tightening both sides, start adjusting the position of the host. Then tighten the host bracket. After tightening, shake the host by hand to determine whether it is secure. Perform the installation of the visor. Snap the visor over the main frame. Just tighten the two visor holes with screws. Camera bracket installation. Install the shock-absorbing rubber ring onto the camera. Then install the circular bracket onto it. Place the gasket into the base. Then insert the screw into the bracket base to fix the bracket. After installing the nut, tighten and secure with a wrench. After installing the bracket, the adhesive tape can be fixed at the bottom of the bracket first. Find a suitable installation position in front of the motorcycle for wiping, and then stick the bracket. Then start arranging the cable. Disassemble or use extension cable according to the requirements of the vehicle body. Find the port on the host labeled with the front camera and connect it. The rear camera is also installed in the same way. Attach the adhesive tape to the back of the cable controller. Find the right place and wipe it clean to fix the cable controller. Can be pressed during installation to prevent unstable adhesion. Connect the black wire of the multimeter to the negative pole of the battery, and plug the red wire into the ACC power port for testing. Find where the ACC wire needs to be connected. Turn the motorcycle key to turn on the power. The voltage displayed on the multimeter indicates that this may be the ACC power we are looking for. Turn the key to turn off the power, the voltage becomes 0 and the location of the ACC is determined. Then start installing the power cable. Connect the red wire of the power cable to the positive pole of the motorcycle battery. The black wire is connected to the negative pole of the battery. Tighten the port of the yellow wire. Tighten the port of the yellow wire. Thread the yellow wire to the port for fixation. After fixing it, restore the port. Turn the key to check if the power module lights up. If it lights up, it indicates that the power cable has been successfully installed. Tear off the adhesive tape of the power module and stick it in the appropriate position. Then arrange the cable according to the vehicle model. Before installing GPS, find a suitable location and wipe it clean first. Please note, when pasting the GPS module, try to choose a location that is not easily obstructed to avoid inaccurate positioning. The final step is to install the tire pressure sensors. First, screw the metal gasket into the tire air outlet. Then install the front tire pressure sensor. You can see the tire pressure value on the page after installation. Then install the rear tire pressure sensor. After it is installed, the tire pressure value can be seen. Tire pressure units can be selected on request. Tap the dashboard to see the tire pressure value as well. Note, move the metal gasket next to the tire pressure sensor, tighten and fix with a wrench. Let's see the effect of the ride.